Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix crashing app on Android phone. If there's any app on your phone that's crashing, the first step you have to take is to restart your phone. A simple restart clears glitches. So you click on the power button steadily and choose the restart option here and restart your phone. Having done that, the next step you can take is to clear app cache and data by going to your phone settings. So right here, click on the settings option, click on the app management in order to take you to your app list. So from here, you click on the app list, and from this section you're going to select the particular app that has a crash that you want to clear off. Just let's say I select add test. So right here, click on the storage and cache option and you clear your cache. Having done that, the next thing you can do, if it still continues, is to clear your storage. When you clear your storage, the app becomes a new app automatically. The next step you can take is to update your app. To update your app, you have to go to your Google Play Store. So right here, you just type in the particular app, and if there's update option, you click on it and update it. The next step you can take is to force stop the app. To do that, you just have to go to your app management. From here, you go to your app list, select the particular app that you want to clear the crash in there. Let's say I want to clear my calculator. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this force stop option here and click on OK to confirm that you want to force stop an app. Then you go back and open the app. The last step you can take is to reinstall the app. To reinstall the app, all you have to do is to come to the home page of your phone, select the particular app that you want to reinstall. Let's say I want to reinstall my add test app. Click steadily on it, click on the uninstall option, uninstall it, click on your power button to restart your phone, then go to your Google Play Store and install the app again. That way it will fix the crashing on the Android phone. So guys, that is it on how to fix crashing app on Android phone. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.